So beside the great and outstanding price-performance ratio and the opportunity to increase productivity in many applications, I really would like to highlight two more points or two more things at the ScanGrid. So first, the size. ScanGrid is really a small sensor, and therefore it is really a compact and cost-saving opportunity for your application. And the great usability concept. This is something which needs to be highlighted as well. So ScanGrid focus on high usability during installation, commissioning, configuration, and diagnosis. So all in all, I would say this is really a perfect solution, perfect safety solution for small AGCs.